at Singapore Changi Airport at Terminal 3. We're going to try and find our way to the Jewel. Now, I know we can walk, but we'll catch the Sky Train. So, look for the Sky Train signs. So, if you are going to go to the Jewel, don't go through customs. If you go through customs, bad luck, you ain't going to the Jewel because you ain't coming back out. You have to stay on the public side because the Jewel's also got shops and everything else. We've decided to go all the way to the Sky Train and then walk instead. It says welcome to the Jewel. Are we here? I see lots of water. Well, they said it's a 15-minute walk, but seriously, less than 5. It's kind of humid in here. It's not too bad. Up there's a nice walkway bridge, and it's definitely got a nice glass bottom on it, so if you're not scared of heights. I do believe, however, you've got to pay to go on there. So we caught the lift down. I guess it's B4 or B1. B1, I think. Oh, wow. No, we're, yeah, B1. So there must be 4 more floors below this, maybe? I don't know. Ah, you get wet here. Nice. Oh, it's nice and refreshing, nice and cool as well. The water rushing past is sort of causing a vacuum and the air is moving about. Definitely lots of people here. You don't have to be flying as well to come and have a look because it is a multi-story shopping centre as well. So the general public could come here and buy some stuff without flying anywhere. So the Jewel flows 40 metres down into a basement area. It is the largest waterfall in the world. I guess they mean man-made. The bridge is for the Sky Train, which we were just up there before, but obviously we've come down. But the Sky Train, what you could catch to get here, but I'm not sure why you'd bother. If you're coming from Terminal 3 to Terminal 1, just walk. It takes less than 5 minutes. Definitely a lot of people here. Get wet here. Yep, you do. It's like it's raining. So if you've got plenty of time, you can go to the IMAX, watch a movie. It's not badly priced, 7 to 10 bucks. Definitely smashing out some international brands. Marks and Spencer's. Mother House, I'm sure someone knows what country that's from, but it's not mine. They got their light fitting heads, or lamp shades. I reckon if I was going to show you the entire shopping centre, I'm going to need an entire day. It's definitely large. It's pretty good too, if you're into shopping. Just remember, you don't have to be flying anywhere to come here and go shopping. I reckon I remember him. He was Astro Boy. It's definitely busy. There's people everywhere. That smells really good. Big Foot Locker store. Canopy Park, where you can pay a bit of money and you get to jump up and down and run around, a bit like a trampoline but made of rope. Way up. For this April, they've set tents up so you can camp here if you want.
Michelle wants to take a nap.
Does she? She's going to go camping. I'd like to walk across the bridge. Sure. How much does that cost?
$8 per ticket.
No worries, thank you. just put my stuff in my bag. See, one's a ticket.
Entry requirement, safety health advisory for the points and also etiquette. Okay, so reminder, selfie stick tripod is not allowed inside that. Can't hold it in.
Oh. No toilets halfway.
Yeah.
That'll be fun. Kind of funny that I can't use my gimbal, but I can hold the camera. I definitely have better control of it with the gimbal. It does look good though. $8 it costs to walk across here, including tax, plus. If I was going to pick on this bridge for anything, it's because they've put the track on this side and it hides half of the Jewel. But apart from that, it's pretty good. Got the whole bridge to myself. That's pretty good. No worries, thank you. Very good. Yeah, so now we're on shaky hold it by hand mode because I wasn't allowed to use a gimbal. Go figure. Yeah, anyway. And the team's here to meet me.